Welcome to iBoysoft channel. Here we will tell how to fix disk utility loading issue. We summarize 8 fixes. Try them one by one. First, restart your Mac. Click Apple menu, then choose Restart. Second, change Finder settings. Open Finder settings sidebar and close Bonjour computers. Shut down the Mac completely, then press Option, Command, P and R keys for 20 seconds. Then reset CMC. Shut down Mac, the Shift, Option, and Control keys on the left side. Then hold all of these down for 10 seconds. Next, delete the related plist file. Type Library Preferences and go to Folder. Then find the file and choose Move to Trash. Fix 6 is using terminal. Copy the commands one by one. Next, update macOS. Find it in General, then Software Update. Last one is enter into macOS recovery mode. You can choose to repair with disk utility or resonator macOS.